Hello everyone, let me share with you how to make wheat flour in blender. Here I've gotten some wheat. I'll be adding it to a fresh water. I'll wash it thoroughly to make it clean. This is so important when making wheat flour at home. As you can see from the video, as I wash, the chaff of the wheat comes on top of the water. So I'll go ahead and remove the chaff with a sieve. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. And after separating the chaff from the wheat, I'll go ahead and strain the water from the wheat. And after draining the water from the wheat, spread in a tray properly. Take to the sunlight to dry. And now that the wheat is dried, you can see how it looks like. We go ahead and transfer into a blender and blend smoothly. I'd like to use this moment to give a special shout out to Igbecheta Kelechi and Beatis Brooks. I'm glad you all love the recipe. If you want me to give you a special shout out in my next video, kindly comment where you are watching me from. And I also want to say a big thank you to my wonderful family out there. I appreciate your massive support. God bless you. And after blending and it becomes smooth, transfer into a collective container. Then we have our wheat flour made in blender. This has versatile uses. We'll be using this for great recipe in our upcoming video. Thanks for watching.